Hey guys, Alex from Restoration Design here. Just gonna do a quick check-in with our O2 BMW project. We're also gonna go over a few panels that we resell from different suppliers. Try to give you guys some feedback on how they fit. Start at the front clip that's available. You have that for early cars and later cars. Then we're gonna move on to front fenders, left side and right side. And then we're also going to replace our fender apron panels here, our A-pillar, and we'll get into some rocker repair. As you can see, it's pretty chewed up there. Looks like Swiss cheese. Some wheel well repairs. And we'll get into some outer sills, as well as your wheel wells, lower rear quarter repair panels. We're gonna be utilizing that. Been pretty banged up, patched over the years. We're gonna cut the entire wheel well out. That's also available from us. This is a pretty serious structural point. No hidden rust inside. And then getting into the rear trunk here, crude patch repair done here in the past. I'm sure there's more rust hiding underneath those. Our gas tank floor, rear clip, which is available for early cars and later cars. For you roundy guys and square tail light guys, obviously we need to do some frame repairs and some floor pan repairs, so we'll address that both left and right sides. We're also going to be doing a full front clip replacement. We're also going to install some brand new doors ready to be bolted on, as well as a front hood and rear trunk. So we'll try those panels out and give you guys some real-time feedback on the fit and finish of those. In the future, we'll have a few how-to videos and you can see how we're progressing. Thanks for joining us here at Restoration Design. Catch you on the next video.